Greetings to all. I am Sujay Saha from Center SR School and today I am here with my project Potential of Industrial Waste Gases. Day by day, the increasing release of harmful waste gases into the atmosphere, especially by the industries, is affecting the whole world in terms of global warming, pollution, ozone layer depletion and many more. These gases include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, methane, ammonia and especially hydrofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons and chlorofluorocarbons. On the other hand, the government is spending a huge sum of money in supplying electricity to many industries as subsidies. In solution to these problems, here's my project. The waste gases of industries shall be collected in pressurized containers. These gases stored in pressurized container can be separated into its constituent gases by fractional distillation. From these gases, gases like methane, ammonia, hydrocarbons can be reused as fuels, and some other gases can come in use of other industries as well. The rest of the gases, which include especially CFCs, HFCs, HCFCs, can be stored in separate pressurized container and can undergo the following process to generate electricity. These gases shall be kept in high pressure in the pressure vessel. These pressurized gases shall be passed through the transfer pipes and released through nozzle on the blades of the turbine, thus cause its rotation. The turbine shaft connected to a generator will generate electrical energy. The gases, after rotating the turbine, shall be passed to the same pressurized container through the transfer pipe to repeat the same process. Benefits of this project are control level of harmful waste gases in the atmosphere, extra revenue of the industries by selling off its reusable waste gases,
Hope you liked my project.
and employment
Thank
or
you
skill
and have a
labor.
nice day.
Benefits